Can you believe that in the coldest places on Earth, a boat can be carved entirely out of ice? How many people could it safely carry in the end? To find out, a test team went straight to a frozen lake and began cutting blocks from the ice sheet. They lined the blocks up side by side in the shape of a boat, building the first layer of the hull. Then they poured water into the gaps, letting the freezing air lock everything together. After a while, they used a chainsaw to trim the first layer flat. The point was to make sure the next layers of ice could stack tightly with almost no gaps. If the ice boat was too low, or if the seams were left too wide, lake water would pour into the cabin and sink the boat before it even got going. Once the hull was finished, they lifted the cut ice bow into place. Next, they carved a rudder from the same area of ice and fixed it to the front with a steel pipe. After that, they mounted an outboard motor on the stern. The last step was cutting around the outside of the hull to free the bottom of the ice boat from the lake surface. When the team noticed the hull starting to wobble slightly, it meant the boat was floating and ready for passengers. As the engine started, this ice boat finally moved across the water, successfully carrying 5 people.